When we try to open Google Chrome, normally it's only open the Start tab, okay? So you can set up the Start tab. But if you want to open the recently closed tab automatically, how can you do that? Let's try that, okay? So I open 3 tabs, and then I go to the 3-dot setting here, select setting again. Then here we have option on startup. Click that and select continue where you left off, okay? So check this box, and then we try to close the browser, and then we reopen it. You can see all of the tabs are open, and it stay on the last tab you just view. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.